Hey guys, how are you? Good? Alright, perfect. Let's get started now. So, this is my go-to snack. I kind of already have part of it done, but I'll show you guys that part because I kind of gotta put some more Nutella in there, but Nutella is what we need. Spoon, Ziploc bag. Don't do that yet. Don't cut it yet. Okay, scissors and a bag. A banana. And a banana. Okay. So the banana, we're not gonna open it up but the bag, we're gonna open it. It's kind of already cut. I have an idea. Okay, we pushed it back a little. But we're not gonna cut a hole into it yet. So we're gonna grab a spoon, grab some Nutella, and then I'm gonna put it in there. I usually like doing 2 full spoons or 4.5 normal spoons. But I kind of oversized it a little today because all of the little half spoons that I was getting, they were like tiny. So, okay, but now we're gonna close it. No, don't even care if there's air in it because it's okay. Then you're gonna just cut it a little. And then you're gonna push all the Nutella down. Don't have anything drip. Don't have any of it dripping. My beautiful sister is here. Sorry, guys. Kind of just here with my sister. Trying to not, she's literally rage beating me right now, but trying to not take her bait. Okay, but then here you have your little Nutella syringe and your banana. Then literally you open it up. Every little bite you put some, bite as much as you want, and it is delicious. And it's really easy too. And with the rest of the Nutella, you can literally just eat it or grab another banana. I usually just eat it or grab another banana. Doesn't really even matter, but delicious. You need to try it. And bye guys, love you. Say bye. Okay.